Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to make a Confluence page full in width. If you've ever worked on a Confluence page and felt like the content area is too narrow, especially when adding tables, images, or dashboards, switching to full width can make a huge difference. It gives you more space to organize your content and improves readability. To begin, open your page in Atlassian Confluence. You can either create a new page or edit an existing one where you want to expand the layout. Once your page is open, click on the Edit button to enter editing mode. This is important because layout changes like full width can only be applied while editing the page. Now, look toward the top right corner of the editor interface. You'll see a toolbar with several options that control the appearance and layout of your page. Among these options, locate the Page Layout toggle, which usually appears as an icon or a setting that lets you switch between default and full width view. Click on this option and select the Wide option. As soon as you enable it, you'll notice that your content expands across the entire page, removing the narrow margins and giving you significantly more horizontal space. This is especially useful when working with large tables, embedded dashboards, code blocks, wide images, or diagrams. Using full width in Atlassian Confluence helps you present information more clearly, especially for documentation or team collaboration where space matters. After switching to full width, you can continue editing your content and adjusting layouts as needed. Once you're satisfied with the changes, click Publish or Update to save your page. Your Confluence page will now remain in full width mode, and anyone viewing it will see the expanded layout. To summarize, making a Confluence page full width is as simple as entering edit mode, locating the layout toggle, and switching from the default view to full width. This gives you more space for your content, making it easier to work with large elements like tables, images, and dashboards. And that's how to make a Confluence page full width. With just a quick layout change, you can improve the way your content looks and make better use of your screen space. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.